10 challenges all marketers face and how digital marketing can solve them. Digital marketing for business. Marketers in today's world are constantly inundated with fresh ideas, new platforms for promoting their businesses, and new technologies to take advantage of. Although still viable, businesses can no longer rely on traditional marketing tactics alone. The right strategy not only makes your marketing more effective, but it also ensures you can get a return from your investment. And the best part is, by implementing a process that includes the 4 crucial components of the GrowthStack: clear messaging, marketing automation, sales automation, and campaigns, you're actually saving yourself from some of the headaches entrepreneurs face with traditional marketing. Here are 10 obstacles business owners face with their marketing and how you can overcome them with digital marketing. 1. Branding is one of the most important aspects of marketing. With so many messages tossed in consumers' faces day after day, it's crucial to create a recognizable, relevant brand. Without consistent branding, your business becomes just another faceless name in a sea of ads. A brand guidelines document will help ensure all marketing agencies, contractors, or new employees know exactly what fonts, colors, and styles to use when designing for your brand. It will change the way you think about big-name brands like Apple and Coca-Cola, as well as the way you see your own business. If you like this content, be sure to click on the subscribe button below. If you enjoy reading, I wrote a book. It's about the forgotten fundamentals of marketing, The Golden Toilet by Steve Brown. Get it today on Amazon, https://amazon.to/3bj8v7. 2. The number one challenge for marketers, according to HubSpot's State of Inbound 2017 report, is that generating traffic and leads seems to get harder instead of easier as more platforms become available. Many business owners spend all their time focused on social media, sharing out dozens of posts a week without any kind of return. To get people interested in what you have to say, you first need to create content your audience truly wants. Develop buyer personas based on surveys with customers, market research and any other information you can get your hands on. Once you know your audience better, you can begin to take actions that truly speak to them, which leads to an increase in traffic and leads. As one of the 4 crucial components of the business GrowthStack, campaigns create the foundation for lead generation and conversion. A strong lead-generating offer, like an infographic or digital guide, targeted to a specific buyer persona. A landing page where potential customers will fill out a form to download the offer. 3. When done right, your website draws in visitors, converts them, and allows you to make sales, even while you sleep. It's no surprise managing websites is one of the biggest obstacles modern marketers face. You need your website to attract, nurture, and convert leads. Website issues can range from creating the best content to designing an appealing site that is easy to navigate. Many companies, especially small businesses, simply don't have the time or staff to dedicate to website management. Get feedback from customers on their problem areas with the site and where you have room for improvement. Then, use StoryBrand to create powerful website content that will keep visitors clicking your Call Now button. 4. And more often than not, marketing isn't deemed a major priority for which resources are provided. However, cutting your marketing budget is like turning off your open sign. To justify spending money on marketing, you need to prove that what you're doing works. Track your ROI and don't be afraid to try new things when the old ones no longer deliver results. If you work with a marketing agency, ask for reports near the end of the year to demonstrate how your money is going to good use. And if you're doing it yourself, don't throw all your money at shiny tactics, like SEO or boosted social media posts, when you could get more of a return from campaigns. 5. Deciding on the right tools, technology, and software for your business can be difficult, to say the least. HubSpot is the leading all-in-one sales and marketing platform, and it blends seamlessly with the components of the GrowthStack. See exactly who has downloaded all lead-generating offers on your website. Create, post, and share out blogs. 6. As we mentioned in our second point, generating traffic and leads comes from having awesome content. When brainstorming for your content calendar for blogs, offers, emails, or social media posts, ask yourself what problems your audience has that you can solve. Always gear your content toward a specific problem your customers have. According to this HubSpot report, videos and social media posts are consumed more times than any other type of content. For even more success, consider working video into your other pieces of content. But for the most part, people are much more likely to choose video over text or images. You can take advantage of this trend and use it to grow your business. You can learn more about how to frame the right message for your audience by signing up for a story brand workshop. 7. A major problem for a lot of business owners and marketing managers is finding the right people to join their team. But often, hiring full-time marketing professionals simply isn't feasible. Either way, you end up with someone who does well in one area of marketing but doesn't see the whole picture. Just like with web design, the best bet for your business may be to partner with a marketing agency. These organizations employ the best pros for every area of marketing. From writing great content to managing social media and beyond, they've got you covered. Choose someone with a bit of experience in content creation and design, as they'll be able to support your business more effectively than someone who only focuses on one area. Follow tips and best practices, like the ones laid out in this guide, to find the best people for your team. 8. Measuring the ROI, return on investment, of your marketing projects is the most efficient way to determine the effectiveness of each campaign you launch. It's also a surefire way to obtain a larger marketing budget. To best measure ROI, you need to close the loop between marketing activities and sales results. There are numerous tools available to help you do just that, from marketing software to CRM solutions. 9. Every employee you hire should be adequately trained, and your marketing team is no exception. If you choose to hire a full or part-time marketing staff, it's crucial to provide thorough training even if they're experts in their field. This gives you a starting point and lets you know where to invest your training time and money. These goals might include getting certifications in their area of expertise, reading a new marketing book, or watching a webinar. If education is a priority at your workplace, it shows, and you're more likely to hire people interested in personal growth and development. 10. All too often, marketers are forced to spend so much time and energy on obtaining new leads that they accidentally neglect existing customers. Marketing can be overwhelming. All you need is a little bit of knowledge and the right tools. Our digital marketing team has extensive experience in HubSpot and story brand marketing. We've created holistic marketing machines for 100+ businesses, and our systems address all 4 components of the business growth stack. Schedule a strategy session to get started.